Here is an example of how you can make something you want actually happen. Write down what you want in a book 30 times every day for 3 months. Here I've written, I will make a minimum income every month of £6,000 after all expenses for living, etc., and not to the detriment of anybody or situation. The shortened version I've used is £6,000 net per month income. So what you've got to do, decide upon what you want and write it down every day in a notebook 30 times. That's 30 times. In this case it's £6,000 net per month income. So if you want something and you want to make it happen, the first thing you should do is write it down 30 times every day in a notebook for 3 months, and I can guarantee you, or I've been told, it will happen.